ये बंद कर देना किचन। Okay, so hi guys, welcome to personality development classes. I don't know इसमें stuck हो गया यार, stuck हो गया क्या मेरा?
नो मैम।
अच्छा मुझे लगा सनोवा मैम मूव नहीं कर रही थी, मुझे लगा मैं stuck हो गया क्या? Okay. So hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my classes of personality development where we will learn how to grow and let others grow. So basically today we'll start with the topic of extempore. See, extempore is not related to debate, is not related to poem or like poem recitation, is not related with storytelling. It's a different concept with different impact for people. Okay, so basically extempore means, in Latin word, it means write these notes because at the end you will have a test on Monday. So in that test, whatever I have taught till now, I will ask, and whosoever will fail that test will be terminated on the basis. So test में पास होना बहुत जरूरी है, तो दिमाग लगा के बिना चीटिंग करे तुम लोग टेस्ट दोगे, बिकॉज टेस्ट में यहाँ पर ऑन कैमरा करवाऊंगी, ऑफ कैमरा नहीं करवाऊंगी. सो बी वेरी अवेयर एंड बी मेक श्योर कि तुम लोग सोचो कि हम लोग कैमरा ऑफ करके चीटिंग करेंगे, गूगल को सर्च करें. बिल्कुल भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल नहीं होंगे, क्वेश्चन ऐसे होंगे जो बिल्कुल वैसे लाइक अप्लाइड क्वेश्चन होंगे जो गूगल पे भी आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. तो बी प्रिपेयर्ड. ठीक है, तो जो सिखा रही हूँ उसको जस्ट लर्न इट बाय, नॉट बाय माइंड, लर्न इट बाय हार्ट, तो जिंदगी भर याद रहेगा. ठीक है, दिमाग में रखोगे तो भूल जाओगे. ठीक है, so basically extempore stands here in a Latin word which means uh, out of the moment. Out of the moment means the judge who is judging you or the person who is near you or the one who's hosting the program give you any topic on the spot. On the spot, any topic, a mug, water, glass, charger, room, showcase, fan, cooler, TV, anything, and you just have to speak on the spot. Here, no chance to think, no chance to react, and no chance to ask for your chance. Here you have to be spontaneous in your actions. ठीक है, तो basically the benefits of the extempore is that first, idea generation. Idea generation means here we generate ideas. Here we don't prepare from the homes or prepare from the end, we just prepare the idea on the spot. The first is idea generation. Okay, second is ability to think on the spot. Of course you will get the ability to think spontaneous in action, because you will, when you will get a topic to prepare, like they will say speak on fan, you don't have to think there, you will speak, so that will be spontaneous. Okay, so second is ability to think on the spot. Third is communication. Communication practice. Now, how communication practice? When people will speak everything by their heart, so communication will increase. And secondly, your confidence will enhance. जब तुम दिल से बोलोगे ना, तुम्हारा confidence अपने आप automatically enhance होगा. So in this way, you will increase your communication with people. You will not be afraid of stage and not be fear of audience. Okay. Third is increase in confidence. As I told you, increase in confidence. That same point. One can develop logical as well as analytical thinking. Logical means everything should be logical. Every statement should have a purpose. That means logical thinking करना. कुछ भी नहीं बोल के चले जाना. किसी का मतलब हो उसी चीज को बोलना. अब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि पानी खाली है, तो क्या कोई मतलब बन रहा है? पानी खाली है. Water is empty. कोई मतलब बन रहा है? नहीं बन रहा है. अगर मैं बोलूं the bottle is empty, the bottle is empty, तो मतलब बन रहा है. That means you have to think logical as well as analytical. Analytical means you have to analyze. Here you are the person who will get feedback, and here you are the person who will communicate. So you have to be analytical in your thinking. Okay, so these are the benefits. The first is what is extempore, second are the benefits. Okay, third
Okay,
is, yeah, then third are rules. Rules क्या क्या होते हैं extempore में जो तुम लोग को follow करना है at any cost. अगर नहीं करोगे तो disqualify हो जाओगे. ठीक है, first is speak to the point. Speak to the point. That means excessive कुछ नहीं बोलना है. You don't have to speak unnecessary there. Don't have to bark there as a dogs. You just have to speak on the spot and to the point. जो पूछा है उसका जवाब दो, एक्स्ट्रा महाभारत रामायण नहीं लिखनी वहां पर, ठीक है? द टाइम ऑफ एक्सटेम्पोर कॉम्पिटिशन इज गिवन जस्ट 2 to 5 minutes, not more than that. अगर तुम 2 से 5 मिनट ज्यादा बोलते हो तो यू विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड एट द स्पॉट. 2 to 5 minutes only. Okay? One should always speak in prescribed language. Prescribed means, like, if I'm starting with Hindi, you have to be Hindi only. Your communication should go in Hindi only. If you're speaking in English, then you have to go with English. Now, ऐसा हो रहा है. The art of the and then मुझे लगता है change नहीं करनी. You don't have to change the language. अगर you are starting with English, go with English. Starting with Hindi, go with Hindi. But don't change it between the extempore. Okay, so if you will do that, you will deduct it by your marks. Then last point is decision made by the judge is finalized. अगर जज ने बोल दिया तुम डिस्क्वालीफाई हो, तो without uttering any word, you have to leave the stage. And if the judge is saying you are good, that means you are good. The last decision is made by the judge. That is cleared. Okay? Then how to prepare for the extempore? What are the points to prepare for the extempore? Always read current affairs. Knowledge नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं बोल पाओगे. Current affairs पढ़े होंगे, knowledge होगी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, तुम बोल पाओगे. तो करंट अफेयर्स शार्प रखो, ठीक है? Before speaking, make a picture in your mind what you want to speak. That becomes easy to you for speaking. Like if I'm set to speak on water bottle, I'll close my eyes and think of a picture of water bottle, and imagine the drawings, what water bottle can have, what are its impact, how can we use it, who use it, how we can carry, what is the cost, and all those stuff. Okay, so make a picture in your mind before speaking, ठीक है? Make a formation in your mind how to start the topic and how to end it. The introduction and the conclusion will be made by you. No one will say you to introduce yourself, and no one will ask you to conclude the decision. It's you who will be the decision maker there. Okay? And then always conclude the topic with a positive note, not a negative note. Positivity के साथ with a smile आपको end करना है अपना को, ना कि negativity के साथ. लड़ रहे हो, झगड़ रहे हो, नहीं. Always be positive. Okay? Don't never use to bluff. Bluff means bluffing नहीं होनी चाहिए. If you are, like for example, if you're watching YouTube channel, you find buffering there, will you like to see the video? No. Yeah? It's bluffing. BLUFF.
Ma'am, bluff means to cheat, right? Like buffering means to stop,
Buffering
to
means
load.
yeah. Whenever we use,
Yeah.
whenever we watch a YouTube channel, when वो आता है ना
That's
buffering,
buffering.
तो
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
मैं एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ.
That
जैसे
is
मैं
buffering.
मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ समझाने के लिए कि बच्चे जो बोले अटक अटक के चलना, उसको बफरिंग बोलते हैं. मैं ये बोल रही हूँ.
No. You told bluff, right? So
Bluff.
I'm familiar.
No
Bluff
bluff.
means to cheat
Irrelevant.
or betrayal.
Yeah, irrelevant.
Bluff means betrayal. It means betrayal or to cheat.
मैम हकलाना, हिंदी में उसको हकलाना.
हाँ
Yeah.
यही है
हकलाना
ना.
बोलते हैं.
हाँ हकलाना मतलब भाई ना ए लाइक दैट. सर प्रभात से जो लोग बातें स्टेज जाने का वही तो होता है ना ब्लफिंग, मतलब अटक अटक के बोलना, राइट?
यस
That's
मैम,
buffering.
हकलाना उसको बोल.
वही मैं सोचू, मैंने पॉइंट लिखा है ना, नो ब्लफ इरिटेट एंड underestimate answer. That's what I
No.
written here.
Buffering means to attack jana. Bluffing means to betray. It's a betrayal or to cheat. So that is accurate. Yeah, bluff means to. Yeah. Bluff
बट
means
मैंने जहाँ से ये गूगल
betrayal.
से इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाली थी, मैंने जहाँ से गूगल से निकाली थी, उसमें ब्लफ लिखा है. नो ब्लफ irrelevant and unsaturated points to be added in your topics.
Okay. But accurate meaning was that. So maybe.
मतलब बेसिकली मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है यहाँ पर कि आप लोग को हकलाना नहीं है, ठीक है? बिल्कुल भी आ ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके? एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज बी पॉजिटिव एंड काम एंड रिलैक्स. ऑलवेज बिफोर मूविंग टू स्टेज, ऑलवेज फील लाइक breathe in, then out. You will feel relaxed, calm. Don't feel like harsh, rush, mess up. No. Okay? So these are the points. And then now we'll start with the extempore topics. I'll give you topics to all of you. Let me first tell you how to speak in extempore. Whenever you're standing in extempore, the mic will be given to this. It will be like this only, not that stage one that is attached. Hand mic will be given to you for extempores. Hold this mic like this. One hand should be back. As I told in debate competition, one hand should be back. Okay? This is the option. This is the place where we adjust the sound and volume, echo and all those stuff. Okay? So adjust it according to your voice. Keep the mic this much away. Head should be up, not down. Up. Hold it tightly. And then first start with introduction. Okay? And then start with the topic. Have you all got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me introduce to the person who don't understand English. मैं आप लोग को हिंदी में explain करती हूँ. अगर आप लोग स्टेज पे जा रहे हैं, स्टेज में जाने के बाद आपको अपने माइक को ऐसे होल्ड रखना है. एक बार गहरी सांस लेनी है 3 बार. सामने नहीं, बिहाइंड द सीन्स. ऊपर आए, हमने माइक को पकड़ा, एक हाथ अपने पीछे रखा, कंधों को नीचे न रखकर ऊपर रखा, स्ट्रेट. ठीक है? एंड देन विल स्टार्ट विद द एक्सटेम्पोर. फर्स्ट एक्सटेम्पोर का रूल ये होता है, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, कि आप लोग कौन हो, क्या करते हो और कहां से आए हैं और आपका टॉपिक क्या है. उसके बाद अपना एक्सटेम्पोर स्टार्ट करो. ठीक है? एक्सटेम्पोर का टाइम होगा सिर्फ 2 से 5 मिनट्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. ओके? एवरीवन गॉट द पॉइंट? हिंदी में समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So now I'm giving you some topics. You have to prepare. Write in your copies. The first topic is dogs are better than cats.
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
Next is women empowerment.
Ma'am, can you repeat first point?
First point is dogs are better than cats.
I can't hear your voice. यार कोई कॉल कर रहा है, रुको.
Yes, Diksha ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So second point is women empowerment. Third point is if I could design a school. If I could design a school. If I could design a school. Then next point is why are outdoor games good? Why are outdoor games good? Written all the points? Anyone is left? Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Both.
Then last point, why social media should be encouraged. Yashika ma'am?
Please repeat the second point.
Women empowerment.
Okay, ma'am.
Last point is
Then
why social media should be encouraged. Why social media should be encouraged. Now you have 10 minutes. 10 नहीं, you have 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes में prepare करो, and then one by one you will speak here with your points. Okay? Prepare according to limit of 2 to 3 minutes. ज्यादा होगा मैं वहीं रोक दूंगी, क्योंकि यही रूल है. सर्च कर लेना कहीं पर भी. So you have 15 minutes. 20 हो रहा है. Any topic you can select. You can select any topic from it. No issues. It's 20 minutes now. I'll ask you at 25. You have 15 minutes to go. Come on, be prepared. हाँ, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. Okay, let me search the word bluff, okay, and then I'll tell you meaning. Hmm. Bluff means an attempt to deceive someone into believing that no can or is going to do something. Try to deceive someone's ability or intention. Okay, so why have you written this? No bluff. Okay. I understood wrong. See, that means when I am in a on a stage and giving extempore, then no one else or the competitors or the audience can bluff me. मतलब मैं जो ओपिनियन दे रही हूँ वो उसमें उसको डिसीव नहीं कर सकते. मतलब they cannot मुझे टॉन्ट नहीं कर सकते and they cannot deceive me down. Got that? टॉन्ट नहीं कर सकते. They cannot reject my opinions or like that. मतलब they cannot judge me basically. That's the point. So guys, no bluff. That means bluff means हिचकिचाना नहीं. Bluff means not to poke someone for their opinions. That's the main point. Not to deceive someone's attempt. Okay. Got that, guys? So don't be confused in that or that. So आज से instead of using the word poke, you can use the word bluff. This is a new word actually. I'm also adding my dictionary. जो आपका मंडे को टेस्ट होगा ना, अगर आप में से कोई उसमें फेल हो गया तो आई विल नॉट गिव यू सेकंड चांस फॉर श्योर है वो. एंड चीटिंग होने का तो कोई मतलब नहीं, क्योंकि टेस्ट देना है तो कैमरा ऑन करना पड़ेगा. और उस दिन मुझे कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं सुनना कि हम नहीं आ पाएंगे, तबीयत खराब है, ये सब मैं नहीं सुनूंगी. क्योंकि अगर मुझे पता चल गया तो मैं उसी टाइम आपको टर्मिनेट कर दूंगी फॉर श्योर है. क्योंकि फीवर मुझे भी है, तबीयत मेरी भी खराब होती है, मगर हार मान जाना कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है किसी चीज का. तो प्रिपेयर है ना, क्योंकि इट्स ऑलरेडी मोर देन 20 days इन द क्लास नाउ, और अभी भी तुम लोग नहीं समझ पा रहे हो. दैट्स नॉट माई प्रॉब्लम. सीरियसली गाइस, चीटिंग नहीं होगी, बिल्कुल चीटिंग नहीं होगी. पूछ पाछ नहीं होगा आसपास में. जो दिल से लिखोगे वही मैं उसको रिप्लाई करूंगी. गॉट दैट? चीटिंग का तो कोई नामो निशानी नहीं होगा मेरी क्लास में. तो बी प्रिपेयर फॉर मंडे. जो पॉइंट्स मैंने लिखवाए उसको एक बार रिवाइज करना, और जो मैं करवा रही हूँ उसको रिवाइज करना. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज पढ़ा तो छोड़ दिया, क्लास में जितना पढ़ा छोड़ दे, बाकी कुछ रिवाइज नहीं करना है घर जाकर. तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए मेरी क्लास में. जो पढ़ा रही हूँ उसको रिवाइज करना सीख जाओ अब. हाँ, it will be basically the questions, MCQ questions, MCQ or sometimes written also. It depends upon me how I'll take. Let's see. I can take in a debate form also. I can take in questionnaire form also. I can take in written form also. So it depends upon me. You have to prepare. Anyway, I can take. It's totally depend upon me. Or Shraddha ma'am. Maybe Shraddha ma'am will prepare the question paper, or else I, or else Siddhi ma'am. It depends upon us. तो जो क्लासेस छोड़ रहे हो ना, बहुत लॉस में हूँ.
Ma'am,
Yes ma'am.
ma'am, you have already given the enough time. Now start with the like extempore so that we can wind up the session with time.
ठीक है. So let's start first with Padmaja ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with your topic.
Ma'am, just a minute. Yes, ma'am. Uh, Good evening. Sorry. Good evening, everyone.
Paper roll.
Paper roll. Yeah.
Make a mic.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, is it okay? Ma'am, is it fine?
Fine. Go with it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Padmaja Garmilla, and I'm here to present on the topic why social media should be encouraged. So nowadays, there's a disbelief that social media has is impacting these kids and even though adults also, so in a wrong way, in a negative way. So there has been rumors that if if people get access to social media, they get they're using it in a wrong way, which is not good for the kids or for the current generation. So I think that. Everything has pros and cons. So, like that, internet also has cons, but no one are considering pros nowadays. So, like it helps us, in gaining a lot of knowledge. Like nowadays, we don't have much time to focus on the, to read a lot of books and to focus on that. But in social media, instantly if you type something, so instantly we get all the results at one place, and we can nowadays we don't even have time for reading newspapers or any articles or something. So internet helps us in gaining a lot of knowledge all over the world. So we can have knowledge across the world. So we can find anything and anywhere from anywhere we can access anything. So like nowadays, in this pandemic, due to this pandemic, everything is being conducted online. For example, this personality development class. So any person can access this class from anywhere, like all over the world. So it has no limitations. So nowadays the technology has also improved that, and I think hackers or whatever it may be, so they are maintaining the systems in a well organized manner so that nothing can go wrong. So technology has improved a lot. That it is really helpful for this generation. For this generation, and I think it.
Stop.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, it's already exceed 3 minutes, but it's okay because it's your first day.
Oh,
So
I did
make
not
sure
see
that
the
it's
time.
minimum.
Yeah.
No, you started at 26, 29.
Okay.
Complete within 2 minutes. Okay, that's the time.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Very good. Attempt very well attempt. Very good.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Topper, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Start with the topic, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Am I visible, ma'am?
Visible.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So, good evening, one and all. I'm Srilekha. I've completed my graduation from Siddhartha Degree College. At present, I'm pursuing my MBA first year from Malareddy Engineering College for Women. Today, my extempore topic is about women empowerment. Yeah, it sounds so good. Women empowerment is nothing but giving powers to women and show their ability, their decision-making capacity, as well as the participation. Social participation is the one most thing which is more important nowadays. So, what all we can do for women empowerment? So, I always believe the first and most important thing, in order to be successful, you must first also not only support yourself but also to support other women, because if we don't support each other, then why would others will, right? And one more thing, and so government is also coming forward and doing more things for women empowerment. As an individual, what all we can do, supporting each other's selves and also encouraging each other's selves. And we must also make a very good participation, like nowadays women are working shoulder to men, right? The present personality development classes, for the we can see the percentage of how many women are there in this. And for also the best example, the two Shaktis are handling this session, that is a very good examples which I can give. And one more thing which I would like to bring it forward is that not only the social participation, not only the decision making, but the mindsets of the people. See, even these days, always when a person give women empowerment, like most of the people think only their surround areas. But what I guess is that a woman, wherever she is a woman, not only in India but whole the country or all over the world, I say. Because even countries like Africa, even the countries which are like we have which have rural areas where the women are not even getting the minimum facilities which they could get. The one most best one which is not getting the women is that menstrual hygiene. It is not a shy topic that we can't talk about it, right? Because that everyone know about it. And what is the best thing in 2017? Manushi Chillar got the missed world. It's not about the answer which she have given it the last, but also her project. Her project is about menstrual hygiene, which was very much male familiar by the judges, and they're very much inspired. Like the country like India, where more there are rural areas where women who are unable to educate, where women are unable to make health for themselves, where they can come forward and they can build the education system as well as the empowering women itself. So I just want to bring it into the notice. And there is so many kind of superstitions in the minds of the people. Like for example, we take the country like Africa, it has genital mutilization, which is not a good thing, where the private parts of the women are cut and they are not even able to enjoy their personal freedom as well. So that is not also a good one, I guess. And for selecting this good topic, women empowerment, as a being a woman, I want to empower myself by giving the chances to other women to empower themselves. So that's all about today, and thank you so much.
Very good. Amazing. Okay, what I want to ask you, that if the batches will continue next time, so will you conduct one batch? Like, will you able to conduct those classes like as I am conducting right now? Will you take my place there in the next batches?
Sure, ma'am, for sure.
Will you able to like take classes of the coming interns or the people who will, you know? I'm asking you. Will you?
Yes, ma'am, I will, ma'am.
Okay, so I will suggest your name for sir today, so that next time you will take the batches. Like you will be the trainer there.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very well. Good. Okay. Mayank sir,
Yes, ma'am.
start kar dijiye sir.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Mayank Tomar. I am intern at Career Dreams Educations in HR department. My topic is dogs are better than cat. Dogs are humans' best friend because they can understand our feeling more than anyone else. Dogs will actually love you more than they love themselves.
अच्छा, ये आपको पता है ये चीज कि वो
Yes, ma'am.
ये आपको चीज पता है कि डॉग हमसे लव करेंगे, वो अपने आप से लव नहीं करते, ये आप जानते हैं सर?
Ma'am, they love us more than they love themselves.
किसने वो आपको कैसे
Yeah,
पता चला? आपको आपने उस पर
ma'am.
थोड़ी करी?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I have I have dog as pet more than like 15 to 20 years,
ओके ओके, ठीक है,
and
तो
I
बोलिए
can
फिर आपको
understand their
आपको थोड़ा
characters.
होगा सर, आपको आइडिया होगा फिर। सही है सर।
Okay, ma'am. They live with us as our family members, and if we talk about cats, they are very moody in nature. Cat always want to do their own things, and in most of the cases, they don't want to have anything to do with humans. If they have bad moods, they they can harm with to their owners. Dogs are
ये
much more
किसने
fun
बोला
to
आपसे
play
सर?
with.
सर ये आपसे किसने बोला वाला रिपोर्ट कि अगर उन्हें गुस्सा आता है तो हार्म कर देती है सर? कुत्ते नहीं करते सर, हार्म
हम कर
डॉगी नहीं करते।
Ma'am, डॉग्स के केस में 1% चांस होता है वो अपने ओनर को हार्म करते हैं मैम, लेकिन कैट्स के केस में 90% चांस होता है कि वो अपने ओनर को हार्म करती है।
हाँ, बढ़िया सर, बढ़िया। ये चीज मुझे आज पता
और
चली आपसे कि मैंने तो कभी ऑब्जर्व ही नहीं करा था ऐसी चीजों को, कौन हार्म करता है, कब हार्म करता है। और कि सर आप जब आते हैं ना, एक पटारा लेकर आते हैं साथ में, तो एक एंटरटेनमेंट का जोश बन जाता है सर क्लास में।
मैम एक्चुअली मैं वही चीजें बोलता हूँ जिन जिन चीजों को मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है।
हाँ, नहीं सर, वो चीज तो बहुत बढ़िया सर, मगर आपको तरीका बोलने का बहुत अच्छा अंदाज सर, बहुत एक अलग ही अंदाज सर, दिल को छू जाता है। चलिए सर, आगे बोलिए।
Okay. Dogs are much more fun to play with them. Any day, if I have to choose, I choose dogs over cats. Thank you.
ये सर जब पॉइंट बोले है ना आज, ये पॉइंट का सर मैं लिखूंगी जरूर अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे कि हु इज बेटर, डॉग्स और कैट। पोल कर दो जरा, पोल कर
Yes,
दो,
ma'am.
जिसने बोला ना कैट, मैं उनको आपके पास दे दूंगी सर।
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड सर, गुड, नाइस अटेम्प्ट सर, वेरी
Thank
गुड।
you, ma'am.
आपका सर माइक कहाँ था? माइक मैंने नहीं देखी आपके हाथ में सर।
ये रहा मैम।
आप इसको लेके बोलिए ना सर, टेस्ट का क्या क्या मतलब होगा जब प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाएगी तो।
Okay.
बढ़िया सर, गुड अटेम्प्ट, वेरी गुड। निकोल
Thank you,
मैम,
ma'am. Thank you.
निकोल मैम के लिए सनोवा मैम से
Hi,
होगा,
ma'am.
सनोवा मैम।
Okay.
अच्छा, निकोल मैम पहले आप बोल लीजिए फिर टॉपिक, आपके बाद 10 सेकंड में सनोवा मैम बोल लेंगे।
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
माइक माइक माइक।
Ma'am, this is my mic for now because it won't be audible enough. That's why.
ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है।
Okay. Behind every successful woman, there is a tribe of other successful women who have her back. A very good evening to one and all. My name is Nicole Mary Pillard from the HR domain, and I'm going to speak on the topic women empowerment. Women empowerment refers to the creation of an environment where women can take their own decision by breaking
या
their.
पद्मजा मैम बोलिए, या मैम।
Sorry, ma'am.
अरे पद्मजा मैम was saying something on the message. I was saying okay, you
Okay.
can leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So women empowerment refers to the creation of an environment where women can take their own decisions by breaking the norms of the society and their family. They can bring equality. It is important to bring equality in the society for both male and female where they coexist. It is important to increase and improve the social economics and in political fields where the strength of the women is important. Also, it is necessary to bring equal rights to the women in order to make them confident so that they can claim their rights, where they can live freely, where they feel sense of self-worth, etc. They should be given a control over their life without any restrictions from their family or society, etc. So they should be given their own decisions. They should be given a chance to take their own decisions, also to make their own choices. It is important to give equal participations in social, religious, and public activities. They should be given equal social status in the society by giving the equal rights in social and economic field. So it is a women
Yeah,
empowerment.
ma'am, stop. It's more than 3 minutes.
Okay.
See, my intentions is not to stop your words, your thought. My intention is that you have to make this in practice, that you have to stop till 3 minutes. If you not practice today, you will not able to get that
Okay.
tomorrow in any extempo competition. So be very clear. You have to speak just 3 minutes, not more than that. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
And very well, the attempt was very well. The quotation was nicely. Yes, Shweta ma'am, boliye.
If they're asked to speak for 3 minutes, you all please make sure that you keep
3
a
minutes
close eye on the watch so that you can be very clear regarding this. Because once if you'll be stopped at the public place now, you will
That
be
will
very
be
embarrassed
tough.
at that point. So you will have to keep a watch at the time so that you don't exceed the time.
Yeah, ma'am, that's true. Okay, Nicole ma'am, and the starting was very, very energetic and very good, enthusiastic energy. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, so I just, Sanova ma'am, sorry to make you wait, but Preeti ma'am has not got a chance till now. She's the one who is. Yeah. So let's give Preeti ma'am today chance. She's the person who is coming up by herself. I'm not forcing her to be. So let's give her the chance. Preeti ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you,
Hello,
ma'am.
how are you?
Ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
Come on, speak on topic. I'm fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Preeti Vinod Kakrodia, and I'm pursuing my BCom from SK College, Nerul, Navi Mumbai. Today, I'm going to talk about dogs are better than cats. This is true, but I think both are cute and adorable. Dogs are more active than cats. Cats are kind of lazy. I like dogs more because they never forget us and they are very friendly with us.
Next. दीदी मैम अब इतना कम भी नहीं बोलना है कि आप 3 मिनट से पहले पहले ही चले गए मैम. कम से कम 3 मिनट तो बोलिए मैम. I think she got a glitch because she was saying me ma'am that I have a heavy rains at my location. So it's okay, Preeti ma'am. No worries. I'll ask you to say your quotation tomorrow. Okay. Sanova ma'am, you can speak now, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening to one and all. My name is Sanoba, and today I'm here to speak on the topic that is like woman empowerment. So, first of all, basically, what is woman empowerment? Woman empowerment is the process of empowering women.
Ma'am, it's not woman empowerment. It's woman empowerment.
Empowerment. Okay.
Empowerment, nahi. Empowerment.
Empowerment. Okay. Ma'am, can I start again?
Preeti ma'am, after Sanova ma'am, okay? After Sanova ma'am, I'll give you a chance, okay?
So, good evening to one and all. My name is Sanobo, and currently I'm just pursuing MBA from HR department. So, today my extempore topic is women empowerment. So, what is women empowerment? Women empowerment is the process of empowering women. So, right now we can see that many people are evading women because their thinking is like that women cannot do anything, but it's totally wrong. And their thinking is like that also, that they always quit in any kind of a situation. But we always observe that in current situations, women are moving forward as compared to men. So our great Indian woman that we can see as Rani Lakshmibai. Okay, so Rani Lakshmibai, she had just fight for our India to become the India very popular country. So in 10th or 12th also, we can see that many students are there, okay, especially girls, especially ladies, those who are just moving forward and those who are just coming in the merits and just score good marks as compared to boys, or we can say as gents. So that's really very proud for India. So in ancient time, what we were seeing that many people are there that they are just...
No, ma'am, we never use seeing. Seeing is no word in dictionary. We always use watching.
Watching. Okay.
Yeah, you can use the word observe.
So I think, yeah. So I think there should be a change in the mentality of people that girls cannot do anything because nothing is possible. Everything can be possible if we are having that kind of a mindset and that kind of a heart that we can do anything. So conclusion is that everyone should inspire men as well as women in the same direction so that nothing is impossible in this world. So, okay, thank you so much.
Good attempt, ma'am. Very well. Good energy, 100% confidence, 100% Josh, and good posture, and very good way. Like you are ready for the extempore competition now, I think. Good. Okay, Preeti ma'am. Okay, she's not in the meeting. Okay, next, who want to give the presentation today? Anyone?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, Shikhi.
Am I audible?
Audible.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheetal Suryanshi, and now I'm talking. Sorry. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheetal Suryanshi, and today I'm speak on why outdoor games are good.
Today I am नहीं. Today I will speak on क्योंकि ये चीज होगी. I am मतलब हो रही है और I had मतलब हो चुकी है. तो अभी आप बोलने वाले हो तो आप बोलोगे I will. Hello everyone. Myself Sheetal Suryavanshi, and today I will speak on the topic.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Sheetal Suryanshi. Today I will speak on the topic of why our outdoor games are good.
Good. कुछ नया topic आया. अच्छा लगा.
Okay. Because outdoor games are excellent form of exercise for kids. Nowadays, we see that most of the children don't go outside just because of the video games, TV, mobile. But children require fresh air and lots of sunshine. So it will help to increase vitamin D in themselves, and increase immunity system. So children will not get illness. That outdoor games increase stamina. Outdoor games improve peer to peer relationship, which is called it's the they develop uh, they develop our social skills, then improve overall health. So outdoor games is must for everyone, not only child, not only kid or child, but you have to go outside once in a day, for walk, for anything. You have to maintain your physical activity in your daily routine, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
This is because I asked everyone to use yesterday's word, and no one of you were using those words. And she's the person who used every word, like illness, other also. Not very much, but yes, she tried. And the best part is, she tried everything in English. The person who was getting afraid on the first day, her introduction was like, "Ma'am, I can't understand. I understand English, but I cannot speak it." And today, see, she's using different words. And the best part is, the topic which I've chosen has a meaning into it, a lesson into it, that we should go outside and walk. We should always have a physical. Very good, Sheetal ma'am. So proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Keep it up. You can see your performance now. Your performance was here, and now it's here.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
So,
you. Thank you so
keep
much.
it up. And Sanobar ma'am, it's not like that, ma'am. You were performed really in CD as well as in the person development classes. So don't feel bad, ma'am. You perform really well. Okay? And I'm very satisfied with your answer, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but I'm really not happy with my today's
No,
performance.
who told this? Who told you that? I didn't told you. Madam didn't told you. We didn't told you. Anyone was not telling anything that you are bad or you perform really well, ma'am. Who told you that? Don't take these things negative. These are some practice sessions. Like in the test, you have to perform good. Okay? In the okay. Next we have whom? Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम किसको ले नेक्स्ट बताइए आप. अच्छा उनको लेते हैं.
प्रभात सर ने हैंड रेस किया हुआ है.
ठीक है मैम. प्रभात.
Ma'am, basically this is the initiation that we want from all of the people. We don't want to poke anyone and ask to come forward.
Right.
Ma'am, my name is Prabhat Sharma, and I'm basically currently pursuing second year BCom Finance and Account, and I had taken my topic as why outdoor games are good. So generally we know that we had two types of game, indoor game and outdoor game. So generally due to this COVID, child had adopted themselves playing in indoor game, but not outdoor game. So what is the disadvantages of playing indoor game is that only we had to sit idle and be playing. There will be no improvement in the body, no stamina, fitness, etc. And we had seen that children used to love play game due to this advent of technology. Children had adopted themselves playing the video games, and they had developed their interest in playing this video game. They are like less interest in playing outdoor game, and nowadays the parents has also become like that. We should not go out, dust, this, that. It may harm our health. So, like we say that the children are not going out to play the game. First of all, parents should encourage the children to go and play outside because it will improve your health. And when we are playing out, we empathize, we increase our social skill, we have a
Okay,
strong
so
bond with the
Prabhat
nature.
sir,
And
Prabhat sir, okay.
yes, ma'am.
अच्छा बोला है, very good, proud of you, very good, very well, improving,
Yeah, ma'am.
good. Now let's this will be the last presentation of today. We'll have the next presentation tomorrow. Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
I'll do it might happen that you can have it tomorrow. If the Preeti ma'am is not coming, then definitely you or Sneha ma'am decide who will be in go first. Okay, Preeti ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
I will go, ma'am.
Mic में okay ma'am. Okay. Diksha mic में आके बोल रही हूँ. Okay ma'am. Okay ma'am. Wait. Prabhat sir, just wait.
I
Oh,
will.
Pankaj sir. Yeah. Just wait. Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am has left. Okay. So now, guys, you decide who want to go first because I cannot decide because people are like they want to, and you three decide who want to go first. Sneha ma'am, Diksha ma'am, Pankaj sir, who will go first?
Okay, ma'am, let Sneha ma'am go first.
Okay, because then this will be the last presentation and then your rest presentation will be tomorrow in the beginning. Okay? Sneha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, ma'am.
Okay. Am I visible?
Visible. And audible.
Okay. Good evening,
अरे ये क्या है?
everyone.
ये हाथ में क्या है? Shampoo?
Panty se ma'am. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself Sneha Sipan Kumar, and I'm graduated from BCom Finance from St. Mary's Women's College, and now I'm pursuing my MBA from Rams B School, Kochi. Now I'm standing in front of you, taking next number on the topic why dogs are better than cats. Basically, there are both the kinds of people. Some people love both the animals. Some love dogs and some love cats. There are some reasons why the dogs are better than cats, and but cats are also a good animal and very nice adaptive one. Basically, dogs are humans' friends. They are also like a family member. The way they love and care are very different from that of the cats. Then the cats are very sensitive to nature, but in case of dogs, are more adaptable to changes, and also they are more loyal towards us, and they can also get trained easily. Also, they are very aggressive, and so that they protect us. Then they have a very much affection towards us, and also very good in eye conversation with us, and they are very good friends, like earlier sir said, they love us more than they love themselves. So if even there is an accident or any things happen to us, they will more care, or they will just care us more than their life. And so I'm telling this because from my experience that I also have a dog in my home, and she's like my friend, and when I'm alone at home, I'm not afraid of anything else because she cares me, that I know. So here I conclude with that the dogs are better than cats. Thank you all. Thank you for listening.
Good.
Thank
You have started with this and now reached this. Very good. Okay, let's have one more last because it's still time. We have 5 minutes more. So I'll take off Diksha ma'am.
Ma'am, Prabhat sir wanted to say, so let him speak. Maybe
Okay,
Prabhat sir or Pankaj sir.
Pankaj sir.
Ma'am, we can take two, Kanishk sir and Pankaj
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. So my name is Pankaj Sharma, and I am finance intern of Careers and Dream. And my topic is why are outdoor games are good?
Mike. Huh.
Why
ठीक है
are
sir, start.
outdoor games are good? So, in the ancient period, why people used to live more years for like 100, 200, 300, and why people are not living now like even they are reaching 60 also very difficult, deep with difficulty. So why means because they are not playing these games. If you had played the games like kabaddi, cricket, many games are there that will prepare us physically and mentally, and like there are lots of benefit. It boosts your immunity. Like this is in this COVID period, many are unable to survive it because their immunity are so weak. If they had played sports in their childhood or like in school or college, their immunity had been like in such a way that they can be able to fight with the virus. So that and there are like many benefits, like in nowadays people are getting many diseases like diabetes, cancer, all that. To if you are playing sports, that in scientifically it is proved that if you are playing sports, this all will not never come to your life. It will be stay away from you. Then it is like if you are playing, you will learn good leadership, because while playing you will see how people are behaving in while playing. So you can learn and you can become a good team player also. Then apart from that,
Okay, sir,
if you
sir.
when
Extend it,
while
sir.
playing you can yeah.
Done. Very good, sir. Nice. The points is
Thank
good
you.
because they were containing some analytical points are also there. Means you have just bring some mathematical form like statements, which is very good because we have to add some these things also, like what happened in the past and what is happening now, like how people will make difference, why these games are good. That is very good. That point is really appreciable. Logical points are there in your statements, and moreover confidence is very well high. Like day by day you all are improving really well. I must say that, as in being, and when at the last when you receive the certificate in your hands now, you will feel very happy. I'm telling you that seriously, you'll feel very happy. In that it's written very well that you have completed your personal development classes with good skills and in good initiative. So that's if with that certificate, if you add in your resume, definitely your chances of job will triple to four times. So very well, sir.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
So be confident
Thank
like
you,
that.
ma'am.
Okay. So now we end with Kanish, sir. You can end the session now with your PPT. Sorry, with the extempore.
Yeah, am I audible to you?
You are audible, but you are not visible, sir.
Just hold for a while. My camera is getting. Now I'm audible. Now I'm visible.
Audible. Not visible, but audible. You can speak, sir.
Just hold. I'm allowing it. Okay, I told you why it is not working. So today my topic is nuclear family or the joint family. I have selected this one. So
ये topic कहाँ था? Nuclear family, joint family.
I have selected on my own. So we really don't.
Yeah, sure.
No, I can speak on the internet one also.
No, sir, go with your own choice topic. No issue, sir. I was just joking.
Okay, so the nuclear family or the joint family. So like the coin has both the sides, like head and tail. So nuclear family and joint family also have.
Sir, first explain us what is a nuclear family and what is a joint family. Then
Okay.
go with the team. Yeah.
The nuclear family are the ones like in which you only have your mother, father, sister, and your real brother or sister. And the joint family is where your siblings are there, your uncle, aunt, like your your father's cousins are also there who are living with your who are living together. So today I will tell you what are the pros and cons for those families who are living in the nuclear and who are having the joint family. So joint family, like there are so many of the peoples who are living together. So at the time of the happiness and at the time of the sadness, there are lots and lots of members to help you, to support you, and to recommend you. At the while making any kind of decision, the joint family plays a major important role because there are so many, getting you can get so many ideas from different people, so that you can land on to the correct decision. Where in the nuclear family you are having your mother or father or your brother or your sister, whom you can listen and take the decision. In the nuclear family, like, you really don't have much enjoyable time. Like, you were surrounded just by your mother, father, maybe they are working, so you are not able to get enough time with them to sit and talk. But in joint family you are having so many of the members, you can share them with any of the things. The bond between in the nuclear family and the joint family is something separate things. Maybe all of us here having a good bond with their mother or father, but sometimes they were busy in their work that we are unable to connect with them. But in your joint family we are having so much of your people around us.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Okay, sir, very
Okay.
good.
Thank you so much.
Good explanation, sir. Very good points.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Shraddha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
ये एक लड़का है, इसका नाम है शशांक दुबे, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये फर्स्ट डे से प्रेजेंट नहीं है, तो आज इसका टर्मिनेशन लेटर प्रिपेयर करिए और इसको टर्मिनेट करिए। ये फर्स्ट डे से नहीं आ रहा है, 20 दिन होने जा रहा है इंटर्नशिप कोर्स को, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को, ठीक है? और
Yes, ma'am,
सिद्धू
बिल्कुल।
मैम स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दीजिए, क्लास अभी ओवर हो गई है हमारी वाली। आप स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर दीजिए जरा।